I don't know if you've had this as well, but I've had a lot more clients since the interest rates have gone up thinking about doing cash ISAs versus stocks and shares. And I've even had a couple of people since the stock market's had a bit of a rally just before Christmas where they've said, I've done my ISA for this year, but I did it as cash. Is there anything people can do when they're in that situation?
Yeah, absolutely. So if they've already done their ISA allowance in cash, the beauty of ISAs is they are very transferable. So if somebody has built up savings within cash while the markets have been a little bit volatile and then think, oh, we'll have it or we're due this correction in the markets, I really want to get into a stock and shares ISA, then absolutely we can certainly advise on transferring from cash to stocks and shares. So very, very transferable. The other option as well, so if just mentioning about volatility in markets, a lot of clients have also maybe had to dip into their ISA funds, either maybe to help with increasing cost of living, mortgage payments, or even helping their children with property purchases or mortgage payments. One thing I would point out is the ISAs that we recommend and advise upon are all under the category of a flexible ISA. So I mentioned earlier there are 4 types of ISA for adults. Actually, a flexible ISA is just a type of cash or stock and shares ISA. And what it means is if somebody's dipped into their ISA savings during that tax year, then they can put back that money in the same tax year. So they're basically maintaining their allowance. So for example, if somebody's had to take out 10, 20,000 pounds, they can not only put in this year's 20,000 allowance, but they can repay back in what they've taken out as long as it's within the same tax year.